if you've already mastered 3-digit numbers. Today we're stepping it up with reading and writing challenges for 4-digit numbers. Stick around until the end to conquer the expert level. So, let's get started. Challenge number 1. Say aloud how the number is read. Correct. 2461. Next number. Very good. 5309. Next number. Exactly. 8745. Remember how they're read? Thousands, hundreds, tens, and then ones. Challenge number 2. Listen carefully and then write down the number. 6249. 5 seconds. Next number. 8410. Hurry up. Next number. 2697. Think fast. Next number. 5781. 5 seconds. Challenge number 3. How many thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones does the number have? Decide quickly. Correct. 2 thousands, 5 hundreds, 3 tens, and 4 units. Next number. Hurry up. Very good. 8 thousands, 6 hundreds, 7 tens, and 2 units. Next number. 5 seconds. Exactly. 9 thousands, 100, 7 tens, and 6 units. If you understood this, you've mastered 4-digit numbers. Final challenge. For experts only. Surprise number with quick questions. First question. How do you read the number? Correct. 4869. Second question. How many thousands are there in the number? 4 thousands. Third question. How many hundreds are in the number? 8 hundreds. Fourth question. How many tens are in the number? 6 tens. Last question. How many ones are in the number? 9 units. Let us know in the comments what level you reached. And write done when you're ready for 5-digit numbers.